Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative, and this little accessory is the extended battery pack for the DJI Pocket 3, which we are using right now, so I can't really go in and use it, although I have another one on this. I would recommend this to be one of the main accessories to use for this device. Now, because you can record for maybe about an hour in 4K, was it 16 by 9 in 4K, or I'm doing this a lot, the kind of TikTok format where it's 9 by 16 in 3K, and it's still good, but this is one of these cameras that I want to use for absolutely everything. And because it has the gimbal, it's really stabilized, and I think it's really good for showcasing large areas, so you're going to want this camera to be on a lot. What I've tried doing, I want to give a background to all this before I recommend this, is if I have a short little video that I really want to record, I'm going to use my iPhone. It's going to be short little bursts here and there because it's always with me, it's always in my pocket. When I pull this camera out, it's going to be for expected longer relevant videos, kind of like a tour of the Christmas lights that we have around here, which I'll be doing later today. It's going to be like maybe a podcast. It's going to be some longer form content that's at least 5 minutes, maybe up to an hour. And if you're doing some kind of tour, you want this to last. And you need the extra battery life. All in all, to be honest, you can always pop the SD card out, the mini micro SD card out, and you can put a new one in, but the battery itself will not be fully charged. Now, this device itself, the Pocket 3, it does quick charge, so it is good, but this extended battery pack, it really does help, and it does add two functional things onto it. On the back, you see it moves the USB-C port from the bottom to here, so you can actually, if I wanted to, I could plug this in and have it just ever charge and ever run, and maybe only run out when the memory runs out. Another thing is it gives you the threading there. So if you want to put this on a tripod where it is right now, you have the ability to, because without it, you don't have the thread. And you don't have a USB-C that can be kind of used all the time. It's pointed down rather than in the back. It's a little bit of personal preference. I think it's more usable on the back. Another thing is, and I wish I could use the camera to kind of have it here. Do I have my other one? I thought I had the other one. It's not over there. Anyway, I'll do it with an example, pretending that this is the gimbal. So if you have the gimbal, the rotating screen will be about to right here. So that means you can't put your fingers here and hold it and grip it like that. You have to grip it to the side, or you have to grip it kind of a little bit low, and that's a little bit too low if you ask me. So you add the grip on here. It allows you to not cover up any of the mics that are on the side of the device, and it kind of just allows the grip to kind of more like this, less like this, to kind of avoid the screen and hopefully not cover up any of the mics. I think having this has been a lifesaver, and either get one or two. What I have is I always have one charging, so I can at least put it in there and kind of use it like clips. The one is used up, then I can use another one just in case I'm not going back home immediately. It's just good for longer recording, and I like that you can just kind of hot swap it. Keep on using it, hot swap, and you are set. I believe this one still goes for about $69 unless it's on sale somewhere. I got mine from B&H a while ago, but they've been really good, and I do recommend this. Anyway, guys, if you have any comments or questions, put it in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm on Instagram and Threads at M8B9. You can email me at creativenyc2024@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.